Hello, dear friends. My name is Olivia, and I am delighted to welcome you to this podcast for beginners learning the English language. Today, I invite you to spend a full 10 minutes with me to inspire you toward new achievements and to show you how English can transform your life. The English language is like a magical key that opens the door to a world of endless possibilities. Every new word you learn becomes a building block on your path to success and confidence. When you begin speaking English, you are not just learning a new language, you are becoming a citizen of the global community. This opens up the opportunity to watch films and series in their original form, listen to music without translation, and read books, immersing yourself in each story. Learning English gives you the chance to connect with people from different countries and discover their cultures and traditions. Imagine how wonderful it would be to understand jokes and stories told in a language familiar to millions around the world. English helps you find friends and like-minded people, even if you are thousands of kilometers apart. Every time you explore a new source of knowledge in English, you uncover something unique and amazing. Beyond cultural enrichment, mastering English opens up wide professional prospects. Many international companies seek employees who are proficient in English, which can give you a significant advantage in your career. Knowing English allows you to participate in conferences, seminars, and online meetings with experts from around the world. Every phrase you learn might be the start of a new friendship or professional collaboration. When you begin using English at work, doors open to international projects and new career heights. But English is not only for work and travel, it also becomes your reliable gateway to a world of information. The internet, with millions of websites, movies, games, and educational programs, is predominantly in English. Learning English gives you access to the freshest news, discoveries, and creative ideas. Every article, video, or podcast in English offers new knowledge and broadens your horizons. You can independently search for information, participate in global discussions, and share your thoughts with the world. Don't be afraid to start with simple materials. Children's stories, audio lessons, and cartoons make a great beginning for your journey. The first steps may seem challenging, but with more practice, you will grow increasingly confident. The key is to take small steps each day, celebrating every little achievement without expecting instant results. Repetition and consistency will gradually help you master new words and expressions. Write down new words in a notebook, say them aloud, and review them frequently. Remember, mistakes are a natural part of learning, and every error is an opportunity to improve and remember the correct usage. If you ever doubt your abilities, remember that even the most successful speakers once started from scratch. Embrace your mistakes with kindness and patience. They are your best teachers on the path to mastery. Try keeping an English journal where you note your thoughts, impressions, and daily events. This journal will not only reinforce your language skills, but also reflect your personal growth over time. Every journal entry will remind you of how far you have come and inspire you to achieve even more. Listen to audio lessons, podcasts, and your favorite English songs to get accustomed to the rhythm and sound of the language. Start each day with a few minutes of listening. Soon, your perception of the language will feel more natural. Practice your pronunciation to overcome your fear of speaking and to build confidence in your voice. Find a friend or conversation partner with whom you can practice English in an informal setting. Discuss simple topics like the weather, hobbies, or weekend plans to gradually make the language feel familiar and natural. If you can't find speaking partners in person, use online language exchange platforms and apps. Regular communication is the key to rapid progress in mastering any language. Read books and articles adapted to your level so you don't get overwhelmed by complex vocabulary and grammar. Illustrated books and simple stories help you memorize and understand new words more effectively. Start with short stories, then move on to longer texts that open up a world of ideas. Let reading be a celebration that fills you with joy and provides the energy for your day. If you enjoy watching series, choose those with simple dialogues and mimic the characters whenever possible. Such practice improves your listening skills and enhances your pronunciation. Also, don't forget interactive games and exercises that make learning an engaging activity. Many online platforms offer language games, flashcards, and quizzes to consolidate your knowledge in a fun way. These games help you solidify new vocabulary and make learning dynamic. Every little game is a chance to test your skills and see just how much progress you have made on your journey. It's important to set clear and achievable goals so you can monitor your progress and stay motivated. Define why learning English is important to you and how it will benefit your future. Your goals might include traveling, career advancement, curiosity, or the desire to read your favorite authors in the original language. Every goal, no matter how small, brings you closer to your big dream. Celebrate your successes, as every step is valuable on the path to mastering English. Avoid comparing yourself to others, because everyone has their own pace and unique achievements. Enjoy the process, for learning English is an exciting and creative journey. Create a cozy, inspiring space for studying a little corner at home or a quiet cafe where you feel relaxed. Surround yourself with posters, books, and items related to English so every glance reminds you of your dream. Sometimes a change in your surroundings can spark new motivation and make learning more effective. Don't hesitate to experiment with different methods. Try audio lessons today and video content or interactive quizzes tomorrow. Every new method is a chance to learn something new and see the process from a fresh perspective. Be open to new ideas, as variety helps prevent monotony and burnout. If you ever feel overwhelmed, take a short break and return with renewed energy to continue your learning journey. Remember, each day offers a new opportunity to learn something important and discover hidden potential within you. View learning English as an exciting adventure filled with unexpected discoveries and joyful moments. Allow yourself to dream of a future where English is a trusted companion in all your endeavors. Imagine understanding foreign films, participating in international conferences, and enjoying every moment communicating with people from different countries. Every such thought fills you with confidence and inspires you to reach new milestones. I believe that each of you has immense potential just waiting to be unlocked. You have already taken the first step by listening to this podcast, and now it's time to take action. Each new day offers you the chance to become a better version of yourself than you were yesterday. Remember that knowledge is the light that illuminates the path to your dreams and goals. Keep moving forward and strive for new heights, even when the journey seems long and challenging. Maintain a positive attitude. Smiling and believing in yourself can overcome any obstacles. Every small victory and every new phrase learned brings you one step closer to fluency in English. Dear friends, I am grateful that you took the time to listen to this podcast and make a step toward your future. May every word you learn today symbolize your growth and unwavering pursuit of knowledge. I sincerely believe that learning English will open up a world of new opportunities and vibrant experiences for you. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring journey. May your path to mastering English be exciting, easy, and filled with joyful discoveries. Take care, stay confident, and never forget that every minute spent learning brings you closer to your cherished dream. Until we meet again in future episodes, where we continue sharing useful tips and inspiring stories, let English be your loyal companion on the journey to knowledge, success, and happiness. Until next time, dear friends, and may every day be filled with light, joy, and new opportunities.